All right, let's get it started.
Let's get it started. We're going to start with the beginner 5 to 8 category. Woo! Look at these smiles.
All right,
These
come
girls
on out.
Come on out. Dancer number 1.
Let's go, Spring!
All right. Judges, are you ready? Drummers, ready? Manahere is officially started, man, right now. Man.
Look at those smiles. They
All right,
stay
ladies.
ready.
You go ahead and stand up, ladies.
Stand up, ladies.
All right,
wave,
you're good to go.
Wave bye to the judges.
Go
this
the other
way.
side, that way. That
This
way.
way, that way.
All right, follow Auntie over there. All right. We'll bring on our next line. Come on down, ladies.
Next line, come on up. And dancers, please show your numbers to the judges. Show your numbers to the judges.
All right, judges ready? All right, drummers, hartumai. Ladies, face forward. Make sure the judges can see your numbers.
Give them a big last smile.
All right, Maururu, ladies. Let's bring on our next line. Still beginner, age 5 to 8.
sure the judges can see your numbers.
All right, if we can have dancer number 15, please report to the stage right. Dancer number 15. All right, judges, are you ready? Drummers, hit it.
This one needs a hug. Sorry, baby girl. You need a hug. Let's give all of these dancers a round of applause.
All right. All right, thank you, ladies. You just go ahead over.
It's never easy to get up here, especially when they're babies, but let's give that little one a round of applause. That was my sister way back then. It's not easy. And these kids are doing amazing, so let's give a round of applause for the 5 to 8 beginner category.
This is a long stage, man. This is a long walk right here, man. I'm getting my steps.
You had a strut.
Huh?
You forgot the strut.
Man, I'm gonna break something trying to strut.
All right, moving on to the beginner 9 to 12 category.
All right, so this is a new category, beginner
New
ages
category.
9 to 12.
New category, judges. Ladies, please show your number. Judges ready? Drummers ready? Hit 'em.
ladies, thank you. Just make sure you face forward. Let the judges see your numbers.
Show your numbers, ladies. Huri. Thank you, Maruru.
All right, still in the category age 9 to 12 beginner. Let's bring out our next group.
Don't forget to show your numbers, ladies. Don't forget to show your numbers. Judges ready? Drummers ready? Ladies face judges, show number one more time. Thank you. Huri, you can turn.
All right, ladies,
Thank you.
All right, continue with age 9 to 12 beginner. Let's bring out our next group.
All right, judges ready? Drummers ready? Let's go. Show your number one last time. And you guys can hurry out. Maruru. just before we continue, if you guys are hungry, there is a Filipino breakfast truck out there. Also, we have Matatini's workshop tomorrow for Tamari'i 10 to 11:30 and Bahine workshop 2 to 3:30. We still have openings, so I hope to see you guys there tomorrow.
All right, also, we like in the age group 5 to 8 beginners, we need dancer number 1 and dancer number 9. Please go stage right, your left, you have a dance-off. Dancer number 1 and dancer number 9.
All right. Judges ready? Drummers ready.
All right, face forward. Make sure the judges can see your numbers.
All right, ladies, Maruru, huri out. Huri means turn.
All right, ladies, thank you.
Maruru.
Exit. All right, we're still in the age 9 to 12 beginners. Age 9 to 12 beginners. All right. Judges, are you ready? Drummers, let's go. ladies, please stand, face forward. Make sure the judges can see your numbers. All right, thank you. You may exit to your left.
Okay, moving on to our advanced 9 to 12 new category judges. Advanced 9 to 12. Advanced 9 to 12. Ladies, show your numbers. Judges ready?
Go here.
Drummers ready. Hit it. Ladies, face forward. Show your numbers to the judges. Maruru, thank you.
All right, we're going to continue with our age 9 to 12 advanced category. Let's bring our next group of girls. Ready? Let's bring on age 9 to 12 advance.
All right, ladies, make sure your numbers are shown. Judges ready? Drummers, hit it. your numbers one last time. Give them a smile and a wink. And Maruru, thank you.
All right. We continue with 9 to 12 advance. By the way, today's event is being live streamed on YouTube by Checker Video Productions.
Checker video.
So for those relatives that couldn't afford the free ticket, they can watch it on YouTube today.
All right, ladies, show your number to the judges. All right, judges ready? Drummers ready. Judges, show your number one last time. Maruru, thank you.
All right, we're going to move on to our last group of dancers for age 9 to 12 advance. Let's bring them on out. Ladies, make sure the judges are able to see your numbers when you're face forward there. All right, before we begin, let's get age 13 to 15 beginners. Please line up to stage right, my left. Judges, are you ready? Drummers, let's go. ladies, show your numbers. Okay. Thank you, ladies. May exit stage left.
Our first dance-off. Woohoo!
Can we also get age 13 to 15 advanced to report to the side of the stage? 13 to 15 advanced and beginners, please report to the side of the stage.
All right, judges, we have a dance-off for 5 to 8 beginners. Ladies, show your numbers. Again, dance-off, 5 to 8 beginner category. Keep that smile on. All right, judges, ready? Drummers ready. Let's do it.
How about that? Our first dance off.
Let's give these babies a round of applause.
All right. Judges, you good? Let them see your numbers. All right, ladies, you go ahead and exit stage left. We have another dance off. Age 9 to 12 beginners. I need the following dancers to report to the side of the stage. Dancers 16, 19, 20, and 28. 16, 19, 20, and 28.
Do I get a bingo somewhere?
Bingo! Hey, hit the jackpot there. All right. We're gonna move on to our age 13 to 15 advanced category. Let's bring out our first group of dancers.
Ladies, make sure your numbers are shown. Make sure the judges can see your number. All right, judges ready. Drummers ready. Let's go. numbers one last time. Maruru, exit stage left.
All right, we're going to go ahead and continue with our age 13 and 15 advance. Let's bring our next group of girls.
Just waiting for judges. They need water. I know it's. Drink your Starbucks, girl. It's all right.
She's thirsty, Mary.
I know. Judges are thirsty, but they got water. They got water. All right. Judges ready. Drummers ready. Hit it. Ladies, let's show our numbers.
This is that prime time age of Tahitian dancing. Make sure your numbers are seen.
All right, ladies, exit stage left. Maruru.
Sure. All right, we're going to continue with age 13 to 15 advance. Let's bring out our next group.
Ladies, show your number. All right, judges ready? Drummers ready? Hit it.
getting exciting now. Man. All right, ladies, make sure the judges can see your numbers. Just take a look down, make sure they can see it. All right, you go ahead, stage left, exit that way to your left, please.
Maruru.
All right, we're gonna continue with age 13 to 15 advanced. Let's bring out our next group.
All right, ladies, show your numbers. Make sure they're seen. Strike your pose. Judges ready. Drummers ready. Show your numbers one last time. Give the judges a smile. All right, exit left, Maruru. All right, just housekeeping rules. There are no dogs or animals allowed except for service animals. So if your animal is not a service animal, I don't know what to tell you.
I guess I gotta go now.
We gotta go bye-bye. Sorry, puppies and kitties.
And also, please, we're requiring that you wear your masks out here. Please wear your masks, don't forget. As much as we'd like to see your face. So, also, we're gonna continue here with our 13 to 15 advanced category.
All right, ladies, show your numbers. Very nice. Just keep on smiling. Strike that pose, ladies. Strike the pose and smile. There is still food out there. There's some food trucks out there. There's a Filipino breakfast. You guys are hungry? Again, Matatini's workshop is tomorrow, 10 to 11:30. And 2 o'clock for Vahine. All right, judges ready? Drummers ready. Here we go. your number one last time.
Good job, Sid.
Keep that smile on. And Maruru exit left, please.
All right. It's time for our dance-off
Next dance-off.
for age category 9 to 12 beginners. So there's 4 of them, right? 4? There are 4 people on this dance-off.
That's right.
There's 2.
4.
There's 4 of them, but we're gonna go 2
Two
at a time.
That's right. Ladies, show your number. Show your number. Give them a big smile. All right, judges ready? Drummers ready? Here we go. Ladies, show your numbers. Maruru, thank you. Exit
Right.
stage left.
Before we go on, there's some lost and found items. I don't know what this is for. Maybe. Oh, is this one? All right, my bad. And then there's this. I don't have any use for this. But this one,
Somebody is missing a phone call.
if your mom bought you this, you about to get grounded. Yeah, let's take a picture.
I know, we're gonna take pictures. Hold on.
Let's take a picture.
Whoever that is,
There
you
you
got
go.
a billion pictures on there.
All right, if you guys got to claim this, just come up here to the stage.
There's an eyelash curler, a scrunchie, and a phone.
Why would you pinch your eyelashes this way? That's just, well, I got
Because
small
some
eyes.
have just flat.
But I got small eyes, it'll pinch my eyes too. So. All right, let's go, ladies.
Dance off, 9 to 12 beginners. All right, ladies, welcome. Show your numbers.
Woo! Go Sasha, go Kaylee! Woo!
Judges ready? Drummers ready? Here we go. your numbers one last time. All right. Maru, thank you. Exit stage left.
All right, how you guys feeling?
How you doing? Woo!
Guess what? It's my favorite time of the day. It's lunchtime.
Lunchtime.
All right, after lunch, we're going to begin with the 5 to 8 beginner finals. We're going to let you know the people that advanced, the danced off in the prelims. We're going to let you know who's going to move up to finals. They'll be posting those up. But in the meantime, enjoy your lunch.
Enjoy your lunch.
And we'll
There's
see you.
food trucks out there. If you guys have questions for Matatini's workshop, please come see us. All right, we'll see you after lunch.